There is a new mobile search entry on the scene, Kickvox, which is an app, a search app for iOS and Android, that takes a more visual approach to search with icons for results. But it may face some challenges taking any share away from Google, which continues to dominate in this space. Even though Google does is showing some weaknesses on the monetization front and with the user experience, it is in the default search engine for most mobile devices, and apps present some challenges of their own in terms of discoverability and also tracking. But what this all shows is that mobile search is still relatively young, it's growing fast, and there just may be opportunities for some new entrants to come in and disrupt the landscape.